If you think making extra money from home is complicated, it's really not. It's just you've been shown or told the wrong ways. Now, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and stressing over money, then this video is for you. I'm going to tell you some simple and legit ways to start earning from home, even as a total beginner. Now watch this until the end and you'll know exactly what you can start doing first. Now before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energised to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with number one, which is to sell a simple skill that you already have and use AI to make it better. Now a lot of people stay stuck because they think they need some great business idea, when the truth is they're already sitting on something very useful and very helpful. So think about the last few times someone asked you for some help. Maybe you fixed a resume, maybe you edited a TikTok or Instagram video, maybe you explained some homework, maybe you wrote some emails or some ad copy, or organised some Google Drive folders or some other digital files. Or maybe you helped someone set up someone's Instagram bio. This is not random, these are actually skills that you can monetize and create an income from. Now the real problem is that you don't see it as valuable because it feels normal to you. But businesses will pay to save time and reduce their stress, and that is where you can step in and help them with skills that you already have. So to actually fix this, you want to open up Upwork.com or Fiverr. These are freelancing websites, and just type in these exact search phrases. Just type in these skills that you have into these websites to see if people are actually charging for these kind of services, and see if they're getting reviews. And if they are, then you've just confirmed that there is a demand. This is saying to you that people are actually paying for these kind of services on these freelancing websites. So you can actually offer these as a service and create an income from it. That removes the doubt and gives you some direction to actually work with. So once you spot a skill, you want to tighten it into one clear offer instead of trying to do everything at once. So just saying I help with social media is very weak and very vague, and it won't be very useful. But saying something like I write Instagram captions for local restaurants is much more specific and niche, and it's actually easier to sell. So clear offers attract attention because people instantly understand the outcome and the results that they are going to get. You can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm niche angles. Then just check peopleperhour.com or even Contra.com to see if businesses are hiring for that exact thing. So you want to be making sure that people are actually purchasing the thing that you can offer to make sure there is a real demand. Then you want to look for those repeated job offers and those job posts. That's a signal the problem is very common. So you want to look for that as well. Now you want to avoid the mistake of offering 5 unrelated services, because confusion makes buyers scroll right past you. So if you feel like your skills aren't strong enough yet, then use AI tools to actually sharpen them very quickly. You can use a tool like Grammarly, which can instantly improve your writing clarity. Canva can give you some professional design templates so your work looks very professional even if you're not a trained designer. You can use CapCut for free, which is a video editor, and Descript, which is an AI video creation app, which makes editing very simple with drag and drop tools and automatic captions as well. Now ChatGPT can help you outline those content ideas or rewrite those rough drafts, so they sound much stronger and much more professional, and they will sell easier as well. The key is to use AI to actually enhance your work and speed up your workflow and raise your quality, but also keep the human element in it as well. You don't want to just copy and paste. You want to have AI and human elements. So clients care about clean results and good content that solves their problems and their pain points, and it actually saves them time and makes them money as well. Not how long it actually took you. So clients will pay for results and outcomes. So when it comes to the pricing, research beats guessing every time. You want to go on Fiverr.com and just filter by the sellers with strong reviews within your category. Look at how they structure their packages and what they actually include. If resume rewrites average around $40 to $60, you might start slightly lower while you build some proof. You want to make your offer crystal clear, like one-page resume rewrites, ATS optimization, and even 2 or 3 revisions included. So there's a simple demo or example that you can use. Specific deliverables make people feel safer actually buying from you as well. Now, a common mistake is charging too little out of fear. That attracts difficult clients and actually drains your energy very quickly. So getting your first client doesn't require a big audience or expensive ads. You want to build a simple one-page portfolio using Notion or even Google Documents with some shared access. You want to add 3 or 4 strong examples, even if they're just practice samples that you have created yourself. You want to rewrite a sample resume, design some Instagram posts for a fake cafe. So you want to just do some mock projects here to show potential clients what you can actually do. You want to edit a short form video for a pretend YouTuber. Then just reach out to those small businesses directly through Instagram DMs or even email using hunter.io to find those contact details. You want to keep your messages very focused on their problem and how you can actually help them save time and reduce their stress and take away their pain points, and suggest a quick improvement that you can actually provide to them to earn that income. Direct outreach feels uncomfortable, but it actually works quite well. So what turns this into a real extra income is the consistency, not the luck. You want to set a simple 30-day plan in Trello or even Notion to actually track where your daily actions like sending 5 messages or applying to 3 or 4 relevant jobs. You want to be tracking what you're doing with Trello or Notion so you can see how things are going and make more progress. You want to use ChatGPT to refine proposals so they actually focus on how you solve the client's pain points instead of just talking about yourself. Now you want to review feedback very carefully as well and improve your samples every week. The shift happens when you stop searching for those shortcuts and start showing up with a solution that solves a problem every day. One focused skill improved with AI and delivered consistently can realistically grow into a steady money from home without any hype or unrealistic promises. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to turn your free time into small online income streams. Now, a lot of people want to make extra money from home, but the biggest problem is not having a clear system for turning that free time into money. If you are scrolling social media or you're watching videos anyway, that time can be turned into small income opportunities. I want to help you see that your spare 1 to 4 hours per day can actually add up if you actually use it in an intentional way. You can start by just listing some simple tasks that you can complete very quickly. These can be things like data entry, testing websites and apps, or even just watching short videos for some research. Then you can just check websites like ClickWorker. You can go to Appen or even Microworkers for some beginner-friendly tasks. These platforms pay for simple digital work that you can do, which is really useful if you are starting with 0 experience. So if you feel stuck because you don't have any special skills, I want to share a smarter approach that you can use using micro tasks and AI assisted work. You can use ChatGPT to help you complete tasks faster, like summarizing those articles, writing those short product descriptions, or even brainstorming social media captions. I recommend pairing AI with freelance tasks instead of relying on it alone. For example, you can find writing tasks on Fiverr.com. Then you can use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to make your work cleaner and make it easier to read. The mistakes a lot of beginners tend to make is trying to do hard work manually, when AI can actually help you work faster and earn more per hour as well. So if you are a bit unsure where to actually find these real opportunities, I suggest you create accounts on multiple beginner-friendly platforms. You can use Upwork.com, Freelancer.com and PeoplePerHour.com to apply for those entry-level gigs. I'll give you a simple strategy. You want to just search for those jobs that say beginner, simple or quick tasks. So they're the things you want to be looking for. These usually have much less competition as well. You can also check those Facebook groups and LinkedIn groups as well for remote work opportunities by just searching terms like remote work jobs or work from home jobs or even virtual assistant jobs. Just type in any of these kind of things, or even online side hustles. Just type in any of those things into Facebook groups and you're going to find a load of opportunities. Now you want to avoid applying to high experience jobs when you are just starting out, because you will get discouraged very quickly. So if you want to maximize your earnings from those small tasks, you can track your time using productivity apps. I recommend Toggl, Toggl, for tracking work hours so you know which tasks pay the best per hour. You can also use Notion or Google Sheets to track the income, the clients and the response rates. I want to help you think like a business owner here and not just a worker. If one task pays quite poorly but takes too long, you should really stop doing it. Just focus on those tasks that pay at least $10 to $20 per hour when you gain some experience. The biggest mistake is accepting every low-paying job out there, which wastes your time and your energy in the process. So if you struggle with finding consistent tasks, you can automate job searching using websites like Indeed.com and LinkedIn Jobs. Just set job alerts with keywords like remote, freelance, or even something like online assistant. I suggest applying every day instead of waiting for those perfect opportunities. You can also use ChatGPT to help you write strong job proposals as well. Just write something like, explain how you solve their problem, show one simple example of some similar work, then just ask a question about their project. This simple structure improves your chances of actually getting some replies. So if you are ready to grow beyond those small tasks, you can reinvest your first earnings into learning higher value skills. I recommend learning basic digital marketing through free courses or on Google Digital Garage or even HubSpot Academy. So that's Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy. You can also learn short form video marketing because platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts are in high demand right now. The transformation happens when you move from completing those small tasks to offering services that help businesses really grow. You want to stay consistent, keep improving, and remember that the extra money from home usually starts small but grows with some smart repetition. Let's now move on to number 3, which is to build a small digital service that businesses actually pay for. Now, many people want to make extra money from home, but they struggle because they try to sell random services instead of solving real business problems. If you want a stable side income, I want to help you think like a small business helper rather than just another freelancer. You can start by looking at local businesses near you, even if they're just small coffee shops, gyms, beauty salons, or even online coaches. These businesses often need some extra help with simple online tasks, but they don't have the time to learn digital tools. So this is where you can actually step in and help them and create some money doing it. You can search for local businesses on Google Maps. Then you can just check their social media accounts and their pages to see what they're actually missing. And if their pages look a bit inactive, there's not much engagement, or they're just a bit unorganized, that is a problem that you can actually solve for them. So if you are a bit unsure what businesses actually need, what they're actually looking for, what they need help with, you can research common pain points using online job boards. I recommend browsing Upwork.com, Fiverr and Freelancer to see what companies are already repeatedly paying for. You will usually see demand for services like content posting, email writing or simple website updates. I want to help you save time by just focusing on those services that solve real problems, time problems for business owners. You can also use tools like SimilarWeb to analyze competition websites. So you want to analyze your competitor websites as well with a tool like SimilarWeb. And you can actually see what marketing gaps that they have. And you want to avoid trying to sell complicated services when simple solutions tend to sell much faster. Now, if you want to make your work look professional, even if you are a beginner, you can easily use online tools. I suggest Canva for social media graphics, especially using their pre-built templates for Instagram posts and flyers. You can use Buffer or Hootsuite or Later.com to schedule posts for clients, so you can actually manage multiple businesses at the same time as well. Now, for writing tasks, you've got apps like Grammarly and Quillbot that can help you clean up your wording very quickly. So I want to remind you that clients care about consistency more than perfection. A common mistake is waiting until work is actually perfect before offering your services. Now, if you struggle with finding some clients, I'll give you a simple outreach strategy that actually works. You can send 10 to 15 messages per day to businesses using Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or even using email. I recommend using hunter.io to find business email addresses. So this is where you can do some cold email. You can write short messages that focus on their problem first, like low engagement, it could be inconsistent posting, or any other problem that they've got. Then just offer a small solution such as a free sample post or a quick audit that you can actually provide to them. Now you want to avoid sending long messages here because busy business owners usually read only the first few sentences in an email. So if you feel a bit uncomfortable reaching out directly, you can build a simple portfolio to actually show proof of your work. You can use Notion or even Google Sites to actually build a one-page portfolio. You can add free sample projects even if they are practice designs. So for example, you can design sample posts for a fictional bakery or even a clothing store. I want to share this important mindset shift as well. So proof of ability is more important than experience when you are starting out. You want to show them what you can actually do. Many beginners make the mistake of waiting for clients before building any simple samples to show their clients. So if you are ready to scale income, you can actually move into higher value services using AI tools. You can use ChatGPT to help create marketing captions, advert ideas, or even product descriptions for different businesses. You can learn basic automation using Zapier to connect different apps together like Gmail, Shopify, and different social media platforms. I recommend learning short form video marketing because businesses out there really want help with their Reels, with their TikToks, YouTubes, and their YouTube Shorts. The transformation happens when you stop trading time for small tasks and start offering services that help businesses grow their sales, save time, and make more money. You want to stay patient and you want to stay consistent and keep improving your service quality every week. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating new income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can find some free training resources to help you get started right away. These free step-by-step resources are designed to guide you through launching a successful online business and help you to generate new online income streams. So don't wait, take action today. Click the link below and start your journey right now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does energize and motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel, and have a wonderful day.